Hey guys, here's Disney Funny Toys Production. Today I want to show you a review about the special Princess Anna edition. I saw this great Princess Anna of Arendelle doll and I want to share it with you. Now I'm opening her and take a closer look at her dress. It's a blue one with a flower print on it. Anna's wearing a pink colored cape over her blue dress. And she has put on her boots for the journey. And a pink colored tiara. See, she can take off her boots. And her long skirt. And her cape. Now she's dressed like the ballerina and she can move like a ballerina. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and leave a comment. Take care and stay tuned. See you on my next video on Disney Funny Toys Production.